Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ramen chicken noodles using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your favorite instant ramen, some chicken, and a selection of fresh vegetables. Preparing the chicken involves dicing it into small, manageable pieces. Then, chop your chosen vegetables like carrots, spinach, or green onions to add flavor and nutrition. This simple preparation ensures a quick and tasty meal. Next, we'll cook the chicken and prepare the broth. Sauté your diced chicken in a pan over medium heat until it's thoroughly cooked and lightly browned. While the chicken cooks, bring water to a boil in a separate pot. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles and the seasoning packet. Cook the noodles for about 3 minutes or as directed on the package, ensuring they are perfectly tender.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these ramen tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. And speaking of staying refreshed in the kitchen, why not grab an Owala water bottle? It's perfect for keeping you hydrated while you cook up a storm. Check the description for a link to the bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Carefully drain most of the water from your cooked ramen noodles, leaving just a small amount to create a rich broth. Then, add your sautéed chicken and the fresh, chopped vegetables directly into the pot with the noodles. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and infused with the savory broth. For the final touches, let's make your ramen truly special. Garnish your bowl with your favorite toppings, perhaps a perfectly soft-boiled egg, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a drizzle of chili oil for a little kick. Taste your ramen and adjust the seasonings if necessary. A dash of soy sauce can enhance the flavor. Serve your hot and delicious ramen chicken noodles right away and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.